Hey guys, so today we have the new Zest Achilles to unbox. It just released today in Japan and as well as in Singapore just now. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay. We will paste. I'm not gonna paste the stickers on screen, so yeah. Let's just get everything out of the way. Okay, so here are the contents of the box. Of course, we have the main bay, Zest Achilles with four armor, the Lego disc, and the Quattro Dash driver, and yeah, what we have next is Chain Phoenix with the 2 armor, Fortress disc, and Metal Never, and lastly Hollow Ragnarok 1D layer and the A gear, which I am not going to use. So let's put all of these together. Actually, wait, let's weigh each individual part first. Borrowed a digital scale from my friend the other day, so we can check. Zest Achilles is 31.7 grams in weight. Okay. The Achilles DB core is 8.18. It's fluctuating. Okay, 8.1 grams. The Zest blade with the sword attachment, I have no idea what it is 9.9 grams, not that great. Without the attachment, I'm assuming it's gonna be much lighter. 6 grams, okay. New 4 armor, 13.8 grams, so the third heaviest armor in the game. And the illegal disc, 31.7 grams is not that great. And lastly, Quattro Dash, 10.8 grams. And the A gear is 4.4 grams. Not too bad, I guess. So put together, it totals to about, oh crap, 74.3 grams, which is not that great. And next we have Chain Phoenix, which I am not gonna weigh the individual parts on, 35.7 grams. Fortress, 30.9, almost 31. It's a really good Fortress disc. And Metal Never, 9.7 grams. And the whole bay put together, we have 76.4 grams. Yep, okay. So let's do some test battles. I'm almost positive it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, let's start with our first opponent. Ultimate Valkyrie, Legacy Variable-9. So let's just set it on the launchers. I just realized I put it on the wrong way. Okay, let's go. already off to a odd start. Okay, next opponent. Okay, next we have Divine Belial, Nexus Adventure Tree. No gear. Okay, let the battle begin. Actually, I am going to switch Quattro to Stamina mode. Okay, let the battle begin. Ooh, not bad. Okay, next one. Next we have Greatest Raphael over High Extend plus Dash. And I will be switching Quattro Dash to defense mode. Now so far it hasn't been performing too bad, but it doesn't seem to be that great of a day. Yeah. Next we have Chain Phoenix, Fortress, Metal Never 2, and Zest Achilles. And I will put Zest into attack mode. Okay, Quattro Dash into attack mode. Okay, let's go. Not bad. It does hit quite painfully. Okay, for our next contestant we have Gatling Dragon, Karma, Charge Metal Dash 10. And Quattro Dash will now be in defense mode again. See how this plays out. And of course Zest wins. And last but not least we have Xiphoid Excalibur, Xanthus, Sword Dash 1. Quattro Dash will still be in defense mode. Okay, not bad, I guess. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. Is it worth getting? Yeah, probably. It's a really nice customized set. Comes with holo, and yeah, it's not that great because it's very kind of light. But yeah, it's quite okay, I guess. Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye.